Hi everyone, this is Jack from Maths Forge, and in today's lesson we're going to be doing coordinates. So let's take a look at our first example. Here we're being asked to label brackets 1, 3 on this grid. So let's just speak about coordinates for now. Coordinates are given two values. The value on the left is known as the x coordinate and the value on the right is known as the y coordinate. If you take a look at this grid here, you can see that the x values are horizontal, they're across here, and the y values are vertical. And what this means is that any x value in a coordinate, so in our case this 1, is going to be found by going across the x-axis, so left and right. And any y coordinate, so this 3, is going to be found by going up and down. So let's see what this coordinate 1, 3 looks like. We can see that in the x place there's a 1 and in the y place there's a 3. So the x coordinate is 1. I'm going to start at 0 here, right here. I'm going to start here. I'm going to go across by 1 and the y coordinate says 3. So that means I'm going to go up by 3. So 1, 2, 3. And there we go. This should be the coordinate 1 and 3. We went 1 in the x direction and 3 upwards in the y direction. And if we check our answer, there it is. There's a red cross there. Now let's do a 2-star example. Here we're being asked to label 3 and -1 on this grid. So 3 is going to be the x coordinate. The values to the left are always going to be the x coordinate. And to the right, there's -1. This is going to be the y coordinate. Always start from the center, 0, 0, and first go to your x coordinate. So it's going to be a 3. So 1, 2, 3. We then go to our y coordinate, which is -1, which is here. So the combination of going 3 in the x direction and -1 in the y direction lands us right here. And this should be our coordinate. If we check our answer, there it is. Now we'll do a 3-star example. Here we're being asked to label the coordinates -1.5 and then 1. So the -1.5 is to the left, so this is the x coordinate. And the 1 is to the right, which means it's the y coordinate. So if we go to our grid and start from 0, 0, we go to our x coordinate first, which is -1.5. So this looks like the following. So that's what this looks like, -1.5. So our half is going to be halfway between -1 and -2. And then we go 1 in the y direction, since the y coordinate is 1. So we should end up right here. And if we check our answer, there it is. And that's it for the lesson on coordinates.